Hey family, welcome back to Wendy's Heavenly Dishes. Today we're making a Cajun Alfredo, creamy, smoky, that tastes so good. Let's cook.
Wendy's Heavenly Dishes. Come on in. Tonight we going creamy with a little Cajun spin. Heavenly Cajun shrimp Alfredo pasta, low sodium, still loaded with flavor. Let's begin. Creamy, dreamy Cajun on the shrimp. Engine twirl, let that Parmesan melt in. Lemon, wake it up, Mrs. Dash, keep it clean. Heavenly Alfredo, yeah, you know what I mean. Big pot of water, bring it to a boil. Drop in the linguine, let it do what it do. No talk, cook it al dente, don't let it go too far. Save half the pasta water, yeah, that's the start. Drain and set aside, we coming back real soon. Cause shrimp and cream about to sing a tasty tune. Yeah, pat them shrimp dry, keep it fresh and neat. 1 pound large shrimp, get them ready for the heat. Cajun seasoning, 1 tablespoon. Give it that glow, Mrs. Dash, garlic and herb, 1 teaspoon. Let it show, toss it till it's coated. Every piece in line, low sodium flavor, but it still don't shine. More, 1 tablespoon, skillet nice and hot. Shrimp in a single layer, hit that sizzle on the spot. 1 to 2 minutes each side, pink and opaque. Pull them out quick, don't let them overtake. Set them on a plate, we bring them back again. Tender, not rubbery, yeah, that's how we win. Creamy, dreamy Cajun on the shrimp. Linguine, let that Parmesan melt in. Lemon, wake it up, Mrs. Dash, keep it clean. Heavenly Alfredo, yeah, you know what I mean. Same skillet, turn it down to medium. Keep it smooth, unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons. Let it move, red bell pepper, ½ cup. Green bell pepper, ½ cup too. Saute 3 to 4 minutes, let them soften up for you. Garlic, 2 cloves, mince, 30 seconds to a minute. Stir it non-stop, don't burn it, stay in it. Low sodium chicken broth, ½ cup, pour it in. Scrape up the brown bits, flavor start to grin. Simmer 2 to 3 minutes, let it reduce just right. Now heavy cream, 1 cup, make it rich, make it bright. Cajun in the sauce, 1/4 teaspoon. Gentle heat, smoked paprika, 1/4. Optional. That smoky tree black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. Mrs. Dash, pinch more. Simmer 3 to 4 minutes, don't boil hard, keep it short. Parmesan, 3/4 cup, stir it till it melts. Silky smooth Alfredo, that's how it felt. Spinach, 1 cup, stir it till it wilts on down. Green in the cream, make it pretty, make it proud. Taste it, tweak it, zest it, pepper it, keep it light. No salt, meat is still heavenly tonight. Add that meat, dreamy. Toss it in the sauce if it's too thick. Pasta water, little splash, no loss. Bring shrimp back in with the juices from the plate. Turn the heat off, this the part that seals the fate. Lemon juice, 1 tablespoon, wake the whole thing up. Lemon zest, ½ teaspoon, now that flavor fills the cup. Parsley, 2 tablespoons, half now, half on top. Creamy Cajun Alfredo, baby, we did not flop. Hey. Creamy, dreamy Cajun on the shrimp. Linger 1 twirl, let that Parmesan melt in. Lemon, wake it up, Mrs. Dash, keep it clean. Heavenly Alfredo, yeah, you know what I mean. Serve it hot and creamy, top with Parmesan, parsley bright. Add a pinch more Cajun or paprika, just for color, just right. Shrimp done when opaque, 120 130 is the zone. Leftovers in the fridge, don't leave that cream sauce out too long.
Creamy perfection. Tell me how spicy you made it.
Wendy's Heavenly Dishes.
See you next time.
Subscribe and cook with me. Cause dinner at home can taste like luxury.